What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to organize our code. Yes, organize our code. I know this does not sound like an exciting lesson, but as our programs get longer and more complex, organizing the code in a way that is easy to read is important. Start off by logging into Tinkercad using your course username. Select Circuits in the menu under your designs. You will see our basic setup circuit that we made in an earlier video. Hover over the circuit and click on Tinker This in the top left-hand corner. Our basic setup is the template that we will use for future projects. In the previous video, we explored code. We are going to edit the code on our template with some helpful additions. Anything we add to this code will be automatically added to our future projects. As such, we will remove pieces of code that are unnecessary and add some helpful additions to make our coding life easier. Let's remove the code to blink the built-in LED. We are going to add comments. Comments are notes made by a programmer that the Arduino will ignore. They are helpful for humans reading code, as a comment can provide additional information to someone who is looking at your code for the first time. Commenting is not mandatory, but when you are starting out, it is good practice. Adding comments will also show me that you know what the code in your program does. There are two types of comments, single line and multi-line. To write a single line comment, type // and write your comment. To create a multi-line comment, type /* to open the comment and */ to close the comment. You will notice that comments are a different color from the rest of the code. In Tinkercad, they are brown. We will add a multi-line comment at the start of our program. We're going to create a header that will have some basic information that we can input for each program we write. Go to line 1 of your program and type /* and hit enter twice. On line 3, type */. You will notice that you can add as many lines as you like in between the stars. We will put some basic information about our program in the multi-line comment. On separate lines, add program name, version, creator, and description. Next, we are going to add some comments that will be helpful reminders. Directly below our multi-line comment, add a single line comment by typing // declare variables and load libraries. We will explore this in later videos. Right now, it is a placeholder. On the line after the opening squiggly bracket in our setup function, we will add a single line comment. Type // setup code will run once. This is a friendly reminder that any code in the setup function runs once. On the line after the opening squiggly bracket in our loop function, we will add a single line comment. Type // main code will run repeatedly. This is a friendly reminder that any code in the loop function runs repeatedly. Great! We are going to add one other helpful addition to our template. You may have noticed directly below our code are the words serial monitor. The serial monitor is a helpful tool that we can use to send and receive messages to and from the Arduino. It is especially helpful when we debug our programs. Inside the setup function, below our comment, add the line serial.begin open bracket 9600 close bracket semicolon. Note that serial needs to have a capital S. 9600 is the baud rate for serial data transmission. The data rate is in bits per second. Below, write the line serial.println open bracket quote starting Arduino end quote close bracket semicolon. This will print the message starting Arduino when the setup function runs. Inside the loop function, below our comment, add the line serial.println open bracket open quote start of the program loop close quote close bracket semicolon. Hit enter or return a couple of times and add a delay of half a second or 500 milliseconds. Below, add the line serial.println open bracket quote end of the program loop end quote close bracket semicolon. Click Start Simulation and click on the serial monitor. You will see the words Starting Arduino appear in the serial monitor once. As your Arduino loops through the program, it is printing start of the program loop at the start of the loop and end of the program loop at the end. Great! Now we can send messages to the serial monitor. It should be noted that you may not want to send messages to the serial monitor every time you loop through your program, but this may be a helpful tool in the future. Click your mouse in front of a serial.println statement and type //. We have now turned this into a comment. The Arduino will ignore this until we uncomment it. I'm going to comment out both serial.println statements in the loop function. To recap, at the end of this video, you should understand commenting and how to send messages to the serial monitor.